Stop scrolling for a second because what I'm about to show you is not another random AI video generator. This is something that actually feels built for cinema. Instead of typing long prompts and hoping the motion looks good, this workflow starts exactly where filmmaking starts, with a single intentional frame. And then it turns that frame into a real cinematic shot. Today, we're testing Higgsfield Cinema Studio, and I'm going to walk you through the full process inside the platform, step by step. We'll create a cinematic 21:9 image, generate multiple cinematic angles from it, upscale the best frame, and then turn it into video using start frame, camera movement, and proper production settings. To get started, go to higgsfield.ai. Once you're inside the platform, you'll see their newest workspace called Cinema Studio. When you open it, you immediately see what this tool is built for. Professional-grade cinematic content powered by real camera and lens simulation. The idea is simple and very clear. You create wide cinematic images first, and then you bring those images to life as video shots. Now let's do this the right way. Cinema Studio always starts in image mode because the frame is the foundation. If your frame doesn't look cinematic, your video won't either. Here you have two options. You can upload an image directly from your device if you already have a reference you want to work from, or you can start from scratch by writing a prompt and generating a brand new cinematic image. Both workflows work the same way once the image is inside the studio. For this example, I'm going to start with a prompt and create something fun but visually strong. I'm generating an image of Hulk sitting on a sofa playing video games. It's a simple situation, but the character scale, lighting, and mood make it perfect to test cinematic framing. Before generating the image, this is where Cinema Studio already feels different. I can choose a real cinema camera profile, select a lens, and set the focal length. These three elements are what lock the look of the shot. The camera defines the overall image character, the lens defines the style, and the focal length defines how wide or intimate the shot feels. For this scene, I'll go with a 50mm focal length to keep the shot cinematic and focused, almost like a film close-up. Everything is generated in a true 21:9 aspect ratio, which instantly makes the frame feel like a movie shot instead of social media content. So I generate the image, and this becomes my master frame. Now, this is where one of the strongest features comes in. Once the image is generated, I can click on Multishot. With one generation, Cinema Studio creates 9 different cinematic angles from the same scene. Different camera positions, different perspectives, but the same character, the same environment, the same moment. This is incredibly powerful because in seconds you have a full storyboard. You're no longer regenerating the same scene over and over just to get different angles. From these 9 shots, I choose the one that feels the strongest visually. Best composition, best lighting, best mood. This becomes my hero frame. And before turning it into video, I upscale it. Upscaling matters because this frame will anchor the entire shot. The cleaner and sharper your start frame is, the more convincing your final video will look. Now I switch to video mode. This is where Cinema Studio separates itself from most AI tools. Instead of animating an image, you extend a cinematic shot. First, I select the upscaled image as my start frame. This locks the beginning of the shot and keeps continuity. If I want even more control, I can also select an end frame to lock how the shot finishes. Start frame controls the entry, end frame controls the exit. Next, I choose the camera movement. There's no timeline and no keyframes. You simply choose intent-based movement. Static, handheld, push-in, pan, orbit, dolly, drone-style motion. I choose the movement that fits the mood of Hulk sitting there, fully focused on the game. After that, I choose the production settings. I can set the duration of the video to 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on the pacing I want. I can turn audio on or off. I can enable slow motion for a heavier cinematic feel or keep it normal. And finally, I choose how many versions I want to generate in one go, from 1 to 4. I usually generate 4 takes so I can pick the best one, just like in real filmmaking. Once everything is set, I click Generate. While it's generating, this is the mindset shift that makes Cinema Studio feel cinematic. You're not forcing motion, you're building a shot. Frame first, angles second, upscale, then movement. When the clips are ready, I preview each version and choose the cleanest take. Some shots will be perfect, some will need trimming, and that's normal. You cut around the strongest moments just like you would with real footage. And this is why Cinema Studio works so well. You're not asking AI to invent cinema. You're guiding it using real cinematic language. So who is this tool really for? If you're a filmmaker, YouTuber, brand creator, or anyone who wants cinematic visuals for trailers, storyboards, short scenes, or premium content, this workflow makes a lot of sense. If you want one-click magic without thinking about framing or shots, you'll miss most of the power here. My honest verdict is simple. Cinema Studio is one of the cleanest AI cinema workflows available right now. Real camera and lens simulation, focal length control, true 21:9 framing, multi-shot for instant cinematic angles, upscale for hero frames, and start frame to video with proper camera movement. It's a full cinematic pipeline built around intent, not chaos. If you want to try it yourself, go to Higgsfield.ai and open Cinema Studio. And if you want me to test another cinematic idea, like an action scene, a trailer, or a full short story, let me know in the comments and I'll do it next.